Alright, welcome back to TechTonica. I think I finally found the spot down below. Let's see if we can get in here and find something. So I need a rock, I need cooling systems. Let's repair access. Susie is with us today. She's just wandering around exploring. So once I open up these doors, Susie, it opens up the quests, and then I can scan stuff in here. And it unlocks more of the story. Let me know if you can hear it. Ooh, Mark II drill. New database entry, smelter Mark II, scan complete. Tech now available. So let's go to B. Let's see what's in our data bank. Monolith. No reference found, no information available. Smelter Mark II. No data in archives, data not found. Tech tree, synthesis, fuel, electric. Ooh, these are electric. I don't need to make that fuel anymore. Yield ingots. What? So this takes the ore and makes it directly into ingots. That's pretty awesome, I think. The NXO monetizing Mega Crucible Smelter Mark II was a high capacity electric smelter commissioned by NXO to separate and process raw ores uncovered in collects into usable ingots. Oh, that's Smelter Mark II. That's not a. That's just a smelter. Never mind. National Commission UK crafting efficiency 0.6, fuel consumption 64. We didn't come this far to go home with a pile of rocks, Master Sergeant. Surprised she hasn't talked to me since I came in here. What's this?
It looks like maybe they were trying to cook up new alloys in here. This whole place is above my pay grade.
I remember the lead metallurgist, Mirage. She was untrusting.
I've never seen these kinds of gemstones anywhere in the sector. And I've been to every corner of it.
The last time I was here, they were studying Gaian ore, synaptite, atlantum, materials that were not of our world, but not classified.
Couldn't classify those if you wanted to. Atlantum is everywhere around here.
If they stopped performing research on local materials to import and study something completely unknown, there must have been a reason.
If there was, we won't find it. Somebody wiped every terminal in here.
Scan complete. Mining drill Mark II now available in the tech tree. So let's go back to our data bank. Expedition. I'm at 38% now. NXRD initiative. This information is sealed by order of the NXO Research Division. The NXO Research Division was a classified wing of the expedition with a mandate to conduct research and development in support of the journey to Calyx, followed by research and development within Calyx itself for the purpose of accelerating or enhancing the achievements of the NXO mission objectives. Commander Colonel Lieutenant Meerkat, Personal 34, Headquarter Earth, NX Travel Veteran, Headquarter Calyx, Classified. Let's take a look at these Mark II miners now. Data not found, no data in archives. Tech tree, terraforming, fuel, electric, yield ore. NXO accelerated magnetic ore excavator. Mining drill Mark II was a high-speed electric mining drill used to extract workable ores from the material veins of Calyx. On a biome Animalistic bias. Natural commission index. Mining efficiency 0.5. Energy consumption 384. If the primary grinder won't cut it, the secondary one should. And the third one has to. Executive summary, article, monarch development brief. Alright, let's continue searching this place. Crazy new plants. Scan complete. Cool Dense 2 tech now available in tech tree. Nice. So could you hear her talking and then talking?
Yes.
Okay.
No idea if the scientists were using these plants as scenery or an experiment. They weren't secretive, but they didn't exactly go out of their way to tell people what they were doing either. Personally, I'd toss them into a thresher and be done with it. The plants, not the scientists. You know I didn't mean that.
Hey, she meant it. That's about it for this one. So I'm at the bottom. There's a way to get up top.
What do you mean you are at the bottom? Bottom what?
That big pit with the big waterfall. Big circle in the center. You can fall down there and survive.
Yeah, I just came from there.
Okay. Yep.
Facility access door unavailable. Refer to display panel for self-repair requirements.
See if we can't repair this thing. Oh, I need 30 advanced circuit. I only got 10. Advanced circuit. Can I even make that yet? I cannot make the advanced circuit yet. Okay. Oh, the light sticks now change colors. I got different colors. Red, green, blue. Nice. So I guess I'm done with this for now. Just gotta find my way up.
Dig my way up.
I had already made a path up that you could have followed.
Yes, but then I get to a smaller waterfall. Just dig my way up.
Okay. Scan complete. Craft speed 3 tech now available in the tech tree. I'm finishing scouting this area. It's like a bedroom. Right here. Scan complete. Pack size 3 tech now available in tech tree. Door that's locked. I still can't get back into.
Calyx. Still hard to believe we're somewhere in the middle of this thing.
It was unlike anything mankind had ever experienced. A rogue planet, drifting through the cosmos, origin unknown.
I remember now. We had probes out across the system, figuring out how to bring home critical resources from Neptune, Venus, wherever we could get them.
Yes, on Earth we had used up everything. We needed a miracle, and Calyx was that miracle. Dead on the surface, but filled with unimaginable wealth, and passing through our outer heliosphere for a few decades at most.
If those probes hadn't been out there, Calyx would have flown right past us. That's an awful lot of luck for a species that doesn't particularly deserve it.
And yet it was precisely what inspired our species to come together in a way that many did not believe possible.
And here we are.
Here we are. I am downstairs still. So did I put you at the top of this lift? And you fell down and ran back up? I think it did. Let me try and get up there.
Get up here, but then
Oh.
I couldn't get higher. So.
And we're falling. Let me try to find my way back out. I jumped down again.
So you put these lights down, or somebody else put them down?
There were broken lights. I picked them up and re-put them down. Yeah, I picked them up and put them back down. So we dug to the top of the map. And then we dug back down. And I finally made it to where I wanted to be. Let's just hope I don't fall off down to the bottom again. And I'm overloaded. I think the door is over here. Let's make it down without falling all the way. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Made it.
Facility access door unavailable. Refer to display panel for self-repair requirements.
All right, let's see what we need for self-repair. We got the 200 belts. We got the 50 cooling systems. Let's go in. Start looking around. Scan complete. Stack cap 3. Tech now available in the tech tree. Nice. Scan complete. M.O.L.E cap 3. Tech now available. Glow moss. What's this? New data bank entry added. Prad root. Whatever that is. Scan complete. M.O.L.E tier 3 tunneling. Scanning complete. Cooldense 4. Oh, you're scanning too? Scanning? Or is that all me? Advanced circuits. So it's popping up faster than I can read it. Crank generator Mark II. We'll take all that. Right, scanning computer.
This elevator control console is dead. Fortunately, your suit was built to fall safely from any height. On Calyx, when all of your friends jump off a cliff, you get to jump off too.
Alright, so this was pretty much a bust. Let me read our new entries. Locations, Calyx. Article expert. A new world is discovered. It won't last. Even more astonishing than the sudden detection of an unknown planet in our outer helisphere was the calculation of its movement that soon followed. We're still trying to figure out a lot about it, but from what we know so far, this is a true rogue planet, and it's moving very quickly. Whether it was ejected from an existing planetary system or formed on its own. We aren't sure, said Dr. Sharon Fatsock, one of the 3-person discovery team in the Auditorium National University on Baffin Island. We'll only have a few decades at most to study it remotely. Then, this is the first time we've ever had one close enough to do better than far infrared observation. What we need to do urgently is ... Alex was a rogue planet detected in 2072 by astronomers at Aquitaine National University via the Heaven's Eye Orbit Telescope. Speculated to be the same object as OGLE 2016 BLG 1928, initially detected by microlensing in 2020 due to a similar Earth-like Jovian mass and theoretical trajectory. The planet was renamed for ease of reference and international communication by the International Astronomical Union in collaboration with the newly formed ANEXID. Statistics discovered by Peter Oleg, Sharon Patsog, George Sarak. Discovery date 29 March 2072. Mean radius 27,622 plus some 19 minus 19 kilometers. Mass 1.2 mj. Locations is 100% complete. What else we got here? Flora. We got 2 more entries. Cradle root. Data not found. On in the mic for Mossy Mean blog. Category flora, biome river, harvestable yes, statistics, plantable, no, threshable, no, protected, no. Below moss, data not found. Category flora, biome river, harvestable yes, statistics, plantable, no, threshable, no, protected, no. 79% of flora is complete. Next, we got subject, please stop. From Dryad to Mossy. Subject, please stop. Mossy, please stop blindly seeing the botanical research department on your mineral reports. And regulation require us to catalog and maintain a detailed archive of all inbound communications, and your most recent blog entry contained 28 images of one mushroom that were essentially identical. The artistic merit of your variance in angles is understood, but irrelevant. We appreciate your personal interest in our work, and I have no desire to report this to your ... All right. Anacle Research Division was a classified wing of the expedition with a mandate to conduct research and development in support of the journey to Calax, followed by research and development within Calax itself for the purpose of accelerating or enhancing the achievements of the Anacle mission objectives. Commander Colindana, Meerkat, Person 34, Red Dead. All right, so next, all right, we got labor and something. Label material. Oh, labor and maintenance division. All right, RK messages. Post FNMKING. Anyone know the deal with getting in this identical thing? What are they looking for in terms of XP, quals, etc.? Etc. Coming off 6-month job, got to get out of here for a while. We've read that arc. DM conversation. Bulldog Dreamer. Do you have the antenna up? Yes. Can you see me? No. Can you see me now? No. Can you see me now? Yes. Good. Point your antenna at mine. Wait. It was someone else. I'm waving. Uh-oh. What's that all about? You don't know where he's pointing his antenna. Alright, so that's all the logs for now. Journal entries. So we can't do that advanced circuits. We can't do that advanced circuits. Our next circ qual is building a monorail system. All right, so I'm gonna recall. You escape and respawn. Takes you back. Well, close back. And I need to drop off some stuff. And then we're going to do this task and tips with the monorail. How to make the monorail work? No clue. All right, new objective. Task and tips. Build a monorail system. This looks like a great place up here. Nice open spot. Why is my stuff all cracked up here? I don't know. It looks like it's breaking, doesn't it? Huh. Anyways, what do we need? It says build a monorail system with 2 monorail depots. So let's see, monorail depot right there. Let's build 1, 2. Clear my hotbar. All right, so is this entrance? This looks like it's leaving. Here's a monorail. Connected by at least 5 monorail tracks. So let's do 5 tracks. I got some tracks in here. Yeah, I do. 1. Ooh, look at that. Just put it wherever you want to. Just put it going this way. Why won't it let me build? Is it too close? Or maybe I gotta put up the other train. Put that right there. So it will let me connect it from one to the other. Let's see about this. Take this one, bring it out. There. The fast inserter. Items to send. Preparing to send. Enter rail name. Sandstone. Loader. Okay. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's pretty cool. Down it goes. And then there's items received. Unpacking items. Oh, that's pretty quick. And activate it with the fully charged accumulators. So that only took 1 track. So let's go ahead and get rid of that one. Got the track. Let's put the monorail way over here. So we need, said at least 5 tracks. So let's put it here. Let's see if it'll reach. That's kind of iffy here. So let's rotate this there, that, and let's move these beds around. Let's try to rail again. Start up top, and down we go. Game is not liking this at all. Now, looks like it would like it if it was to the right a little bit, maybe. So let's spit out to the right a little bit. Like right here. That looks good. Let's see if it's happier with that placement. Because it will not let me build poles. Maybe I haven't unlocked the research yet. All right, well, let's try this. Track to you. Track to you. That's connected about at least 5 monorail tracks. Well, that didn't work. I was going to try to crisscross, but you can only have one to another. Interesting. All right, next trial. Let's try this. So, track right here, track right there. Straight track, same height. Oh, let me turn this around. One out, and let's try this. Straight run. Do I not have enough? It's not telling me. Must be missing something. Take a look at our tech tree. Transportation. Locked. Energy, nothing. Science, nothing. Logistics. Monorail pole. So do I need to build monorail pole? Okay, so maybe I need to build a bunch of poles first. Like it won't auto build the poles for me. About now. Interesting. So if I put a pole out here, 2, 3, 4. Does that count? All right, so is that at least 5 track pieces? I had 51, I'm down to 46, so that is 5. Now let's send something with a fully charged belt. Here we go. Fully charged. Let's do this. Sending. Build a monorail system with 2 monorail depots connected by at least 5 monorail tracks. And activate it with fully charged accumulators. Accumulator. Build some of them. Inactive. Active. E hold take destruct, rotate, use, hide to point. Let's cancel this. Make 5 accumulators. I don't think I have any on hand. I do not. This needs to come down here with my tools. Advanced circuit doesn't need to be down there. What backpack item go? I don't know. There it is. So this is my backpack and it's full. Let's bring my tools down here. Where did my pickaxe go? It's probably all the way up the top. Yep. There. I should have an accumulator by now. Nine. Let's see. All right, accumulator is full. Right, let me carve this out of the floor. They have no power. It's fine. All right, I put a bunch of poles down. So in order to lay the track, I needed poles. Accumulators are empty. So next, we're going to get some crank generators. We'll put them right over here. Crank generators right here. I think I had a tier 2 one. It's a tier 2. Let's crank it up. So they're active. Waiting for the accumulators to fully charge. All right, so we've connected 5 monorail tracks, and there it goes. Look how much charge it takes. So is this thing going to complete if I give this thing an exit? Let's give this thing an exit and see if that helps it. Or this quest just may be broken. So we've got monorail depots. 2 of them. Let's take a look at our journal. What does it say? I don't know what else I can do with it. It is. Oh. It finally completed. No. I just took it off. So let's hook this back up to the main system. It should charge up fast. Alright, second monorail system, not as pretty as the first. But let's get some stuff over here to it. Let's see if this thing helps. Alright, it's receiving. And let's offload. Offload. Endure. So I got 2 monorail systems and 2 monorail deposits connected by these 5 monorail tracks. Yeah, I believe this quest is broken, so we are not going to mess with it. This one is still unloading. So, start call. Consider that complete. Next thing we need to do are these 2. So let me gather up materials and then we'll head that way. There we go. Got me some processor units, some copper. Can't remember if I put processor units in there before. But we're about to put some in there now. Let's go see what we got. We're about to unlock the next tier of research. We need to get some more blue research too. So we're about to unlock that one. Pack size 3, craft speed, question mark. Oh yeah, we're gonna need a lot of stuff. So let's go in here and see what we got. Do this one yet? Can't undo that. What do we need? We need the copper bars. Got the processor units. And let's upgrade. New technologies.
Terminal upgraded. New technologies and recommended tasks available.
All right, Breaker. You've learned how to get Atlantum the fun and easy way with explosives. Now you have to actually do something with it. Our smelters weren't built to burn it, so turning that ore into ingots won't be as simple as iron and copper. Start by threshing it into a powder. You'll also need to start supplying the production terminal with power from accumulators. See that big plug on the side of it? Yeah, a high voltage cable goes right in there with a voltage stepper on the other end. And make sure the stepper is on a floor with a good power network behind it. Try to find some time to explore it too. You've got more tools now to open some of the doors we've been finding signals for. places where people might be trapped.
Ain't no one gonna be trapped up in here. So break that. Journal. Ooh, look at all this stuff. Right on the monorail. We've tried, anyways. We're not doing upgrade to tier 7 for a while. Monorail orientation. So maybe we're supposed to do that first before the other one. Deciphering. See, can we decipher this thing now? I'm not sure how they want us to decipher it. Activate monorail technology in tech tree to begin monorail tutorial. The monorail enables faster, more efficient transportation of goods over long distance than conventional belts. Right, let's see. Tech tree. Terraforming. We want logistics. Monorail is active. Inactive. Active. Right, activated that one. Now maybe the monorail system will work. So let's try it one more time. The receiver here. Where was forward? No, it was this way. Another monorail right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And connect. That one's working. Let's throw some of that on there. Items to send. Save complete. And it's sent. It's still not activating it. Let's see, maybe if we do some seeds. Maybe it needs a full stack. Something. I got a full stack of anything. Do not. Yes. Got a full stack of them. Them stairs right there. And still nothing. Alright, monorail is broke. Get the Atlantium. High voltage as well. Alright, tech tree. What's next? Pack size 3. I don't really care about that. Synthesis. Biodense. Graph speed is a good one to have. Break density. We don't have enough for that. M.O.L.E tunneling. Take that. Another good tool. Mark 3 drill. Flatten. F99. Railroad. Facilitates personal travel via monorail tracks. Oh, nice. We don't have enough of that. Energy. Increase overall electrical output to 120%. I like it. High voltage cable we need to unlock. Monorail spike trim 2. Pressure 2, science. Boost smelting. Still haven't unlocked that. Core clustering. text resources other than items or resources. I think we've already been doing that. Cool dense 2. Increase coolant density by 15. So yeah, we got to get some more blue research. Well, that's where we're going to leave it here. I'm going to build me another tower here and put it all together. So, until next time, y'all take care.